Tired of headphones that barely block out noise? Commuting gets loud, flights get even louder. Regular headphones just can't keep up. Background chatter, engine hum, endless distractions. And don't get me started on bulky designs. Ever tried fitting your headphones into a packed bag? It's a daily struggle for commuters and travelers. Plus, battery anxiety is real. Nothing ruins a playlist like a dead battery. Long flights, short battery life, never a good combo. Uncomfortable ear cups make long listening sessions unbearable. Why settle for less when you can have more? Meet the Soundcore Space One Pro, the foldable headphone that redefines portability. FlexiCurve structure folds down to half its size. Finally, headphones that fit anywhere you go. But that's just the beginning. Space One Pro features adaptive active noise canceling. 6 microphones target and cancel real-time noise. No matter where you move, distractions fade away. From subway rush to airplane cabins, silence follows you. 4-stage noise canceling adapts to your surroundings. Enjoy immersive listening wherever life takes you. Experience rich lossless audio every time. Triple composite diaphragms deliver perfect balance. LDAC mode unlocks Hi-Res wireless sound. Less than 3% distortion. Hear every detail clearly. Music feels alive. Podcasts sound crisp. Worried about battery life? Don't be. Get up to 60 hours of non-stop playback. With ANC on, enjoy 40 hours straight. Ultra-fast charging gives 8 hours in just 5 minutes. No more charging panic before your next trip. Designed for comfort, even on long hauls. Pressure-relieving headband eases all-day wear. Slow rebound foam ear cups hug your ears gently. Say goodbye to sore ears and headaches. Let's see the difference. Before, struggling with noise, discomfort, and dead batteries. After, immersed in music, comfortable, battery to spare. Before, bulky headphones hogging space in your bag. After, foldable design, more room for what matters. Before, missing details in your favorite tracks. After, high-res wireless audio, every note crystal clear. Before, headphones that can't keep up with your day. After, Space One Pro adapts to your lifestyle. Commuters, travelers, audiophiles, this is for you. No more compromises on sound or comfort. No more worrying about battery life. No more fighting for space in your bag. Space One Pro makes sense for your daily routine. Enjoy adaptive noise canceling wherever you are. Experience music the way it was meant to be heard. Stay charged for days, not just hours. Travel lighter with a foldable, compact design. Feel the difference of all-day comfort. Upgrade your audio experience effortlessly. Ready to make the switch? Choose Soundcore Space One Pro today. Foldable, powerful, comfortable. Perfect for travel, work, and everything in between. Don't let noise or discomfort hold you back. Take control of your sound environment. Hear every detail, every beat, every word. Stay powered up wherever you go. Space One Pro, your new travel essential. Try it risk-free and experience the upgrade. Click the link to get yours now. Soundcore Space One Pro, listen smarter, travel lighter. Your journey, your sound, your comfort.